Friends, you really need a no-mess, easy to use and reliable pressure cooker in all kitchen these days. Well, we today have stainless steel pressure cookers from one of the most popular and reliable pressure cooker brands in India. Prestige Deluxe Alpha Svachh Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker. I've been using two cookers of the same brand in capacity size of 3 liters and 5.5 liters from the past 9 months. Let's find out more about them. Reason 1. Prestige Deluxe Alpha Svachh cooker is made of food grade 304 stainless steel. The build is very durable and heavy duty. Reason 2. It comes with unique deep lid design so that any spillage that comes from the whistle will not fall onto the gas stove or the slab. This also makes it easier to clean and maintain. It is also dishwasher safe. Reason 3. There is a safety valve given here as well as a separate pressure indicator in which the screw comes up when the food is cooked and will go down when the pressure cooker is safe to open. CGRS or controlled gasket release system is another safety feature in which steam comes out from the gasket as well. Reason 4. Prestige Deluxe Alpha Svachh pressure cookers come with induction bottom and alpha base, which means you will not only get uniform heating but you can also do versatile cooking on gas stove, induction cooker, hot plate and other methods of cooking. Reason 5. Prestige Deluxe Alpha Svachh pressure cookers are ISI marked so that you can be assured of the quality and safety standards. Reason 6. The outer lid models have a safety locking mechanism. The arrow on the lid and the one on the handle of the lower pot have to be aligned. Then apply pressure on the lid and close the pressure cooker. Reason 7. Prestige Deluxe Alpha Svachh stainless steel pressure cookers come with 10 years warranty on the outer lid models. Any company can only give such a long warranty period if they are confident that their product will last for a very long time. Reason 8. Prestige Deluxe Alpha Svachh stainless steel pressure cookers are available in various sizes ranging from 1.5 liters to 10 liters capacity to meet your household needs. Reason 9. Prestige Deluxe Alpha Svachh stainless steel pressure cooker is a made in India product. Let's now do a demo of the cooking in a Prestige Deluxe Alpha Svachh stainless steel pressure cooker. I'll cook some dal in it. There, my dal is now cooked and ready. Prestige Deluxe Alpha Svachh stainless steel cookers are best for cooking and meet all the safety standards. Price of the 5.5 liter model is less than rupees 2,900 and the 3 liter model is 2,425 as of now. If you are interested in buying this cooker, then I will leave a buy link for you in the video description and pinned comment. I can confirm that this video is not sponsored by Prestige or any other company. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.